Hi, here is the Olympus Trip AF overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. It's using two AAA battery. They'll just put accordingly and like a lock. Next thing, by pulling this to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And the film, put at this compartment, and the film tip you need to insert into here, the hole at here. Insert properly, then push the rewind knob down. Make sure it's fully down like this. Okay, like this only fully down. Sorry. Just now it's not, doesn't mean fully down. It doesn't lock the film yet, so pressing it and turn it until it like this. Okay, and wind the film. Usually like this, I will just close it lah. Before you close, make sure your film is flat. I will just okay. Next thing, by switching here to open the lens, which is also on the camera lah. Okay, and here is to adjust the ISO, swiping out to 100 because just now my film is 100, and if you use 200 film, you also can use it on 100. Okay, wind it, shoot. When you cannot shoot, might means that either it cannot focus or the place is too dark, so it can't shoot. It need you to open the flash, only it can shoot. If I face to the bright place, yeah, you see, it can shoot. Okay. So how to make sure that you have loaded the film properly? When you wind the film, look at here. It will roll together, which means that it's okay. And here's the viewfinder, here is the shutter. Look into the viewfinder. When we half press, the green light up means it's okay to shoot. But if the shutter is locked, means that you need to open the flash. Then we just swipe here to open it. Okay, so you might need to wait for a few seconds. Okay. After it fully charged, here will bright light up. Yeah, you see. Then half press, shoot it. Here is the recorder. It will record how many shots you took. So you just like shooting like this. Also, you can force flash also lah. Okay. Well, I recommend you just according it lah. If it's like low light situation, you also can force the flash, or indoor, you also might open the flash lah. Okay. It's better that you open the flash because sometimes or somehow it will sense like it's bright enough, or it might like underexposed, like especially like bad light situation or something. Okay, so here's the overall function, and when you should finish, click the black button at the bottom here, click it, flip here up, and here got the arrow, it's showing you the way to rewind. You just rewind until it become loose, means that it's okay. Then we just pull it out and take out the film to develop. So here's the overall function, and hope you enjoy it.